Okay, so welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm really excited because what better week than the first week of the entire year. It is just like a whole different energy on its own, just like overall starting this whole new chapter of a year that I'm so excited about. I think the last weekly vlog I made, it was like the week before the holidays, very in the holiday spirit and really slowing down, which is so nice. I really slowed down around the holidays. I tried to spend a lot of time with my family, not doing too many things work related, because let me tell you, I think 2021 was literally the busiest work related year of my life. Over the last couple days, as everyone has, I feel like I did a lot of goal setting. I did a vision board. I really spent a lot of time trying to set so many goals, thinking about what I want for the year, and like I felt like I had to like jump into this crazy routine in the first week of the year. I feel like it's so awesome to set new goals and things like that. If you're listening to this, don't put too much pressure on yourself surrounding the New Year's or compare your goals to other people's, because you are your own project. And I know it can be really difficult with social media nowadays, how many people are sharing everything, but I think just take inspiration from other people, but don't compare yourself. And also remember that you might have goals that might seem far out of reach, but what's better than the results of your goals is the process and the experiences that are going to come with it. So this is just a quick reminder, you can reinvent yourself at any time and set new goals. And if you do have really big goals for this new year, that's amazing, but don't let yourself get burnt out. Enjoy the little things in life. And that's something that I've really been realizing, because I woke up on Monday, first Monday of the year, and I was kind of sitting there and I was like, I feel like I have to be literally running a marathon right now. I don't know why. Like, I had all this pressure inside myself. The whole morning I spent just so scattered, being like, I don't know what to do. Like, I set like such an extreme day up for myself. I was like, wake up at 6 a.m, do this, do that, go on a walk, go on a run, do a workout, read X amount of pages and all this kind of stuff, which is so great, and I do love doing those things, but just don't feel the pressure of it, and also listen to your own body, because I was feeling extremely burnt out that day. I ended up watching like a movie last night and I loved it, and now I feel so recharged. Another update, you might have saw this morning, I actually got a kitten over winter break. His name is Mochi and he's literally the cutest kitten ever. I will show you him more in this video. Shoot photos. I haven't yet done that since like beginning of last week, and it has literally been snowing so much where I live, which has been really interesting because I live in Vancouver, Canada, and it honestly doesn't usually snow too much. Happy New Year, I have not already said that. I'm gonna finish off getting ready. And now the last thing that I really need to do is my hair, because this is basically what it looks like right after it's blow dried and then I have it in a bun for so long. These products have been my absolute favorite hot tools for like the last month and a half. I recently got them sent by the brand T3. I just plugged it in and there's like a little light there you can see. I just go like this and then it turns on and starts heating up. I totally feel like I'm in the future or something when I'm using these products. I have the hair curler, the straightener, and the blow dryer as well, and they're literally perfect. I'm gonna do my hair with the curler right now and then pick out my outfits that I'm gonna be shooting, and then just plan out the rest of my day. So I'll be right back when I'm done my hair. This is how my hair ends up turning out. This has basically been my favorite way to do my hair for like the past month. Like I said, I really like this. They do need to like fall out a little bit. And then every time I do my hair, I take my Gizu honey infused hair oil, which is my favorite. It's super light, it doesn't weigh down my hair, and I usually don't even use hairspray anymore. Honestly, I've run out of it and I never picked up a new one. So I think that's the reason why I don't use it. But I'll take like the tiniest bit on my hands and I'll run it through my hair. I just have this Aritzia turtleneck, this really cool brown jacket that I thrifted, these kind of like faded striped pants. This is the final outfit. The jacket's super cute and it's super oversized. I actually haven't even worn it yet. I've made it back home. I actually went with my little brother. He takes so many of my photos, which is kind of funny. He is 9 years old. He is literally such a big help. His name is Daniel and he comes with me all the time. I do help him in exchange with some of his video game purchases. Basically what I'm going to be doing for a good portion of today is making orders and PR packages for Hold Tight. My week is kind of really busy with just like work things, and then I have all this stuff for Hold Tight and our like relaunch and goals and things like that that we have that we want to get done before the relaunch and rebranding. I'm actually going to give you a little bit of a backstory of this whole situation, because I might keep talking about it and you're like, literally what is she talking about? But basically Danica and I launched Hold Tight Collective March 21st of 2021, so it's almost been a year. It's just been so cool. But from the time that we started it to now, we've actually learned so much. I feel like I have such a different mindset on businesses and starting things and like what I want things to look like. I'm talking for Danica as well, but this rebrand is kind of just like for improvements, a full revamp, and basically making it like our dream brand. And there's a lot of really exciting things that we want to do this year, especially content wise, and making it feel more like a community instead of a brand. I was always in school or I had another job, so I feel like I've never taken like full focus on the brand or all the other social media things that I really want to do. So this year, 2022, is the year to do that, and the first year I'm kind of scrambling that all together and making it my full-time job. So definitely just like a lot more content and things like that, a lot of consistency. Also, it's all phone cases and things like that. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of our new phone cases. Like, you guys, there's literally the cutest cases coming. We have a PR list going for 2022, and we want to send everyone all of our new designs for our new launch. So there's so many cases to make, so I'm kind of excited to make them because it's all like new cases, so I'm kind of seeing like how the colors and stuff look, but I'll show you what the packages end up looking like. But I'm gonna get into some work and then I'll let you guys know how all of it goes. I've actually finished up quite a bit of work. You guys saw kind of how I make the cases. Okay, so I have this whole box. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to flash anyone's address, but I have all of these orders to fulfill. And there's these two right here. Those are all for PR. Our website is currently shut down. It might be up by the time this video is up, I think in a couple days, but that would be our relaunch. So that whole box is all for PR, which I'm so excited about because we're sending our cases out to so many fun influencers and people who have supported us. We're gonna go to the post office, but we need to get going because I don't want to leave at the same time the snowstorm is happening, and I think it might have already started. So we're gonna quickly go to the post office and get everything dropped off and then pick up my package that's waiting for me as well. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see me. I think definitely can. Honestly, I was walking out the door and I just decided to throw on the first hat I saw, the first scarf I saw, and a gray hoodie and Ugg boots. I look a little bit ridiculous because I'm wearing dress pants with this whole outfit. Anyways, I am at Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm gonna quickly go drop off these packages, grab my package that's waiting for me. Maybe I'll get some snacks, maybe I'll get some makeup. I always end up getting something random in there, so I'll let you guys know what I end up getting after. Up one PR package. I am super excited, but I'm literally working with one of my dream brands this month. Like, I'm so excited to be working with them, and I've always shopped from them. Basically, the package is coming from Australia, so it takes a little bit of time to get here, and the problem that I'm running into is that the package says it's delivered, but it is nowhere to be found. So I'm terrified. I'm so sad. I thought the package was going to be here the other day. If I do end up finding the package, I'll let you guys know what the brand is later in this video. I'm thinking of going to my neighbor's doors tomorrow and asking them if my package accidentally got delivered to them, and I don't know if that's weird or not to do, but my dad told me that it was normal to do so. So I'm like, I don't know, I might do that because I really want to find it. Hopefully that all ends up working out. But I did get another really fun PR package in the mail, and then I also picked up some goodies. But every time I come here, I can't not get makeup. I showed you guys the foundation that I got and also the mascara, but then I also got this Burt's Bees lip balm, and I actually saw it on TikTok. It's basically like a really dark cherry red color. I guess I'm on this. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I messed up. I got the wrong product. I ended up getting the clear one. It just smells like cherries, but I was supposed to get the one that was tinted red. Update, the snowstorm still hasn't started, so I don't know what everyone is talking about. My mom's like, literally don't leave the house, like the snowstorm is coming, and there is no snowstorm. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I really want to go home and make some food and relax a bit, then make more PR packages. I need to pop into this video because I am literally so excited. The package that I told you guys I was literally on the hunt for, I ended up finding later in this video, but I really wanted to let you guys know what the brand was and also include a haul in this portion of the video. I ended ended up calling the shipping company and they ended up starting an investigation for me to find this package because that's how badly I wanted to find it, and I was so excited to be working with this brand. The package that I was looking for was Polly. I've been shopping with them for probably like 5 years. So many of like my school dance dresses were from them, even just like big events I feel like in my life, like birthdays and things like that. Every single time I would purchase a dress from them, it was always perfect quality. It would fit me the exact same way every single time. Like there was no surprises. I have the cutest pieces that I picked out from one of their newest collections. I'm going to start off with one of my favorites just because I'm obsessed with this color. I don't have any other dresses in this color. It's kind of hard to see. You're going to be able to see this a lot better on the try on portion, but it's like this bright pink, but not like a neon pink. This is actually my favorite kind of pink. It's like more of a subtle, and it has the most gorgeous detailing on it, like these little diamonds, which actually all these dresses have because they're all from the same collection. I'm really excited because I'm kind of laying out my trips for the year and trying to think of them ahead of time. I know for sure I'm going somewhere tropical, probably in like March, so I feel like going out for like a nice dinner, having like a sleek back bun, wearing like a bright color dress. I'm definitely going to be wearing this. Next up, I have a black dress, and I feel like this looks super classic from the front. It's a little bit longer and you can really wear it like anytime, which is really nice. But then you look at the back and it has 3 little diamonds just going down, so it has that super subtle detail. So I feel like a photo of my back or something like that going for dinner, that would look really nice. Next up, I wish I had this dress for like New Year's or something, but I'm definitely gonna wear it to a different kind of event that I have. It looks like this. It's like this nude color, and you guys can see the sleeves on it. They kind of flow out a little bit. The last dress is just this long sleeve black dress, and it's super similar to the last one as far as like the fit, but it's still really different. It looks really plain in the front, but then you guys can see the little diamond detailing going down the sleeve. You probably noticed already how excited I was to be receiving all these items. I want to thank them once again for sending over these pieces. I'm so excited. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. It is about 4 o'clock right now, and I've basically already had a full work day. This morning I had a really similar work day to what I was doing yesterday, and I was just finishing up PR packages, which was really fun, but I feel like it was a little bit repetitive, so I just didn't even bother videotaping it. But I was basically doing it all morning, and I also took product photos of our new cases. I feel like over the last couple days it's been the new year and everything like that, so that's just been like a whole exciting moment on its own. One thing that I do really want to do is like clean my entire room and get rid of old clothes, because I feel like right now is just kind of a time where you're like in with the new and out with the old. And one of my favorite things to do when I'm cleaning and like having a work day, making my hair really damp and then putting the Olaplex number 3 through my hair and then putting it in a bun. It's life-changing. Do it like once a week, once every 2 weeks. Okay, so I basically put it in a really tight bun like this, and then I secure it with some sort of scrunchie. So yeah, I highly recommend doing this whether your hair is dyed or not. It works wonders. Or putting in any sort of hair mask when you're like cleaning. Also, leave everything in for as long as you can. I've slept with hair masks in that tell you to leave them in for like 10 minutes. In 2022, if we're running errands, if we are cleaning, if we are doing homework or going on a long drive, we have a hair mask in always. It is so good. This is what the bottle looks like. They sell it at Sephora. Let's get cleaning. I need to do laundry. I'll probably end up playing like music or a podcast and just going through absolutely everything. This, I'm sure you do, and I'm sure this happens to a lot of people, but I was cleaning my room and I haven't really redecorated my room or added anything to it. And like, okay, my dad is literally drilling upstairs, so don't mind that, but I haven't decorated my room, probably like haven't touched anything in like a year and a half. And when I did do it, I always felt like it wasn't really complete because I never really completed like the decorations and things like that. And I am so lucky, but I have a really big room because I basically moved into the basement of my house. I have been thinking over the last like hour, and I was like, something just doesn't feel complete. My room feels very dark, also because I have the tiniest windows ever and there's not a lot of sunlight that gets down here. So I think I made the decision that I really want to redecorate my room a little bit, and I don't know if it's going to be like a transformation because I have like all of the basic things. I think I'm just gonna add in a bunch of decorations, so I don't think it'll be like a room transformation video because I'm not necessarily going to be changing my furniture. But if you guys do want to see it in an upcoming vlog, I'll probably do it in like a weekly vlog and like redecorate my room and everything like that. Like, I've strayed away from color. I wanted everything to be neutral. My sheets have always been white, and now I'm just thinking, I'm like, I feel like my vibe is colorful and I love color. I feel like I like very minimalist rooms, but with just little pops of color here and there. I'm not doing anything extravagant, so you could probably make those same small changes to your room as well. So that'll probably be coming up in an upcoming vlog. I am doing my laundry right now, which is such a boring thing, but I actually love doing it. I need to get better at not letting the pile like overflow, because that is my toxic trait. But basically what I do is I take anything that has like a little bit of a stain on it and I just spray it with this. It's called OxyClean Max Force, and you leave it on for like 10 minutes. I'm sure it's just like a regular stain remover. Also, this is my favorite hoodie. It's from Aritzia, called the boyfriend hoodie or something, but it's basically a massive hoodie and I need more colors in it. I completely reorganized the shelf in my room because it's my dresser, but it was such a mess before. So right here I put my yuzu oil. I have some wood there, candle, just like this like little cute plate. I have my go-to perfume. It's my favorite perfume on earth. It's the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. I have a really old photo of me and my older brother in Bulgaria, and then I have a photo of me in Bulgaria just because these photos bring back like the happiest memories. So I really wanted to have some photos up here, and I left these picture frames empty for literally so long. So I really wanted to fill those up. I went upstairs and found these photos. Then I just have some incense. This is like a little candle holder photo album. So I think this looks so much better than what it did. It was horrendous, and it finally feels a little bit more complete. So I'll probably add maybe like a picture frame or something at the top. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good for now. It is the following afternoon today, and I just came back from IKEA. I really had a spark in me to start redoing my room a little bit and just kind of redecorating it and making it more colorful. And I didn't really have much luck because the sheets that I would have gotten were sold out, and then everything else was just kind of sold out, which is unfortunate. So I think I'm gonna have to order something online and not really get it in store. But I did find two really cute items. I got this little pink bowl. I usually like to put kind of like claw clips and things like that in them. And then I also got this vase. It's like the same kind of pink. Super cute. I love the pattern on it. Okay, so this is the very end of the video. I just want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my content, and also thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. I think we're at like 17,000 subscribers right now, which is mind-blowing. So I'm just literally so grateful that you guys have been enjoying my videos. I'm sending you guys all the love. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys do have any other suggestions for content you'd like to see from me, just leave it down below. I literally look at all of the comments, everything. So yeah, happy new year, and I'll see you guys back with my next video.